Hello, it's Will from Fine & Country, and we have a new listing coming to the market within the next 24 hours, which is Stonewell House. This beautifully presented with charming character features, 4-bedroom, detached, and beautiful mature gardens to the front and rear. The property also does have a garage, log store, and driveway parking. But while you're here, let's have a little look around. I hope you've enjoyed the video so far, and I thought I'd end the video today with a shot of the garden, a real private sun trap that the current vendors thoroughly enjoy. Situated between Braunton and Barnstaple, it makes this property a very well situated home. If you'd be interested, give the number below a call and get ready, it'll be live within 24 hours. Thank you.